Welcome to SNOWCHEF season number 4. We are in Denver, Colorado. We are here in Copper Mountain. What are we going to do, John?
I don't know.
Welcome, it's Steamboat Springs. Been wanting to come here for a long time, and I reckon you have too, John.
Been waiting for it.
One shot for this wild bull, get him. There you go. Look at that.
Pretty good, man.
Well done. We have made it to Deer Valley. What a spectacular place. We have now made our way to Salt Lake City. I tell you, that joint went off. Great access to big and little Cottonwood Canyons. Just boom over there, boom behind us.
Yep.
You can be there in no time at all.
Cheers, boys. And you just let it rip.
Here we are at Solitude Resort at the big Cottonwood Canyon.
Hey folks, welcome to Park City. Have a look at John, welcome to Mammoth. Look at this, it is dumping big time. It's amazing. Right in Mammoth.
Let's go!
John, what else do you reckon we might get up to?
We might freeze. Yeah, it's freezing today, people. I'm freezing.
It's hot in here.
I'm burning up, baby.
Woo. Food comas, all time, beverage, food, chefs. Come along on the journey, it is all time.
Bringing it home, crew.
Woo.